hotter seasons, the waterline will get a lot dirtier quicker, just because water plus sun equals dirt. So your boat does get a lot of sunlight on both sides of it, so both sides are probably going to get dirty quicker as well. Now, because we are getting into the warmer weather, the growth here on the waterline is probably going to be more visible